Dear God of Hiccups, I come to you now, white flag of surrender, to please rid my body of these tiny deaths, at least within the next 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Dear God of Hiccups, I forget how well you punish, jostling my insides in these still moments of silence, more holy than sin, waiting for you not to arrive. But you always do, shattering hope with all the frustration of an earthquake. Somehow, I never notice you leaving. Your return is like realizing you left the stove on when the distance between you and your apartment is as large as a forest fire. Dear God of Hiccups, I forget a lot of things between your visits. All the air that enters my body disregarded as I exhale, all the seconds that pass uncounted, all the moments spent without thinking the word happy. And even though I am not my most happy when you're around, I know you will leave me. Like all the other mindless moments that go by unnoticed, the moments that don't require any extra attention until they're gone. The first time, it's the last time for anything. The first time you say a stranger's name, simultaneously being the last time that person is a stranger. The last time he wakes up. The last time you call him and he's driving. The last time you fight and it's about Tupperware. The last time you hang up the phone without saying, I love you. The first time fatal collision and impact will be used to describe him. And no matter how long I lay awake waiting for him to come walking through our front door, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, excited to tell me about all the gods that crossed his path that day. How perfectly beautiful, and you wouldn't even notice. We'd forget about the Tupperware. Talk about the future like we always do, always did. It's these last moments that are so special because they are unnoticeably fleeting. Like you, God of Hiccups. The last time someone says, I'm sorry for your loss. The last time you remember to feel lonely when you're home. The last time you say a person's name out loud. The last time I said his name out loud, it escaped my lips, unnoticeably fleeting. Dear God of Hiccups, forgive me for not wanting to take our last argument back. Thank you for Tupperware. Thank you for reminding me to appreciate the stillness when you're gone. Amen.